Okay, this is a database table, like employee table only. This is employee table. And that this is also, today also I am going to give you master database table only, not introducing transaction data, master data. Tomorrow, two tables I will discuss. One is master data and transaction data with primary key and foreign key, both. Today it is primary key related only, primary key, primary key. Okay, tomorrow primary key, foreign key, both two tables I will explain clearly. Today this is same table, employee number, employee name, that date of birth and phone number. Only 4 fields I am going to take here. 4 fields, phone number. In last session directly we maintained for employee number, data type and length. Employee name, data type, employee date of birth, data type and length, like that. But in this session we are creating for reusable concept. Reusable means data element is reusable. Okay, data element is I am creating. What is data element means? For this particular employee number, I am creating one technical name. Okay, technical name like a ZEMP number. I am creating like this. Then ZEMP name. Then Z date of birth. Then Z PH number. Like that. If it, these names I am creating one by one. For each field, one data element I am creating. For this is date of birth. For this field is related to phone number. This is related to employee name. So these all fields are related to the above the database fields. Each data element. What exactly data element contains means data element contains different information like short name, medium name, okay, long name, and heading information. Like data element is means label. Like if you observe here, this data element, okay, this data element, it is having like employee number means if I want to print employee number in screen side, like short name, I can print here EMPNO. If EMPNO, the same field I can print it like this. Medium name, employee EMP number. Same name, long name, I can write it employee NO. Heading means full heading means employee number. Like here the same field is same, but I can print it with a different ways. Means I can maintain the different labels. First label is small, okay, small label like within the like 6 digit. Second label is around 10 digit. Like long name is okay, around 30. Okay, like this. Means for one field we can maintain with different descriptions. If your customer wants or your client wants employee NO, you can choose this employee NO in program. If your client wants to display employee number, he can take it this heading data. Meaning I can maintain all the information in the database, but the way of usage is okay based on developer. If you want to only short name, you can take it short name in runtime. Last class I have shown you what is label. Let me show you database table. Okay, this is a transaction. Yes, here customer is there, but client in run means in industry he will ask, I don't want customer. You maintain here customer number, but in database they created only customer only. If they means if they want to create like a short name, medium name, long name, first they have to maintain in the label. This all label we are calling data element. This is we are calling field labels. Short name is one label, medium name is one label, long name is one label, heading is one. which name you want to use it, that is based on your full selection screen related information that we will see in next coming sessions. But now I am going to explain the just what is the use of data element. Let's see. Now EMP name. EMP name is, that is also short name I can specify like this. Then EMP you can name, that is full name also you can give here. Employee. For this medium name also same, long name also same. Okay, long name also same. Heading also same. Heading also same. Then this type of okay name field you can choose any field. Okay, like that. The specification of different informations. The specification of different date of birth. That is DOB. That is also date of birth. That is also date of birth, and full you can write down like otherwise the date of birth. Okay, labels, different labels. Phone number. Okay, you can write down short name PHNO. Okay, phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, like this. This is joined. Hello, Amit, you joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see now this point only. Okay, a new point. Today you are going to learn data element and one more point also domain. Means for each field, one new name we will create. See for this field, this is data element. For this EMP number, this is one data element. For EMP name, this is one data element. For date of birth, one data element. For phone number, data element. Now these data elements are reusable. If you want to use same employee number in one more field, like foreign key field, one more table if you want to join, same data element I can use it. This is a same field, same data element I can use it in another table. In second table I can use it. Not only this field, not only this data element, any table we can use it, we reuse it. That is the advantage of data element. Once if you use it, automatically whatever properties are there, all properties will be allocated to that table also, not that table also. Here data element means definition wise, if you want to understand definition wise, data element is reusable. It is a data element. Using data element we can specify the field label for field. What is field label means? Okay, field label is nothing but a short name and the medium name and long name. That is where the data element. I will show that clearly. All 4 steps I will show clearly. I will create it. Now if you want to create here data element, we have to create here. Okay, we have to create a domain. That is another concept. Okay, the another concept, domain. Okay, here domain is okay, one more concept. Whatever you maintain for the technical names for data element, same names we can use for domain also. For domain names also it is same as it is, no difference. Okay, domain names also same as it is, domain names. But what is the use of domain names? Domain is to specify the, okay, and the domain will specify data type, length of the field. Okay, length of the field. Here data type is, example, for EMP number data type is char, length is 4, like this. For EMP name data type is char, length is 35. For EMP data, date of birth is DATS, that is length is 8. For phone number numeric, for length is 10. Means to specify the, for each field data type attributes of the field, to specify attributes of the field we can call domain. Okay, domain. Last session I did not discuss about the data element and domain. Now today we are going to create with all like examples, like if you see here standard examples like SC11, okay, any database table like okay, KNA1 table. Let me show that KNA1. Click on display button. See here. this is the field name. For this field, they maintained already KNR. This is data element name. Same data element name. If you double click here, we will see the data element description. Under data element, we have one option is domain. The domain is nothing but a data type and length I told you. Same way. Once again, if you double click the domain, then we can see the in-depth field related information. Like in-depth means inside data type and length of the object, length of the domain. Okay, to like that, first you have to activate the domain, then you have to come back. Okay, this is existing one. This is existing one which we can create. And under that domain data element, here we have the label is here. So this is the label. This whatever label I have written here, this is only. Okay, nothing but a short name, medium name, long name, heading. If you want only all our EMP number, I can maintain all EMP number. This label, the main usage of this label is while designing screens, customized screens. Customized screens means, let me show once again. Okay, these type of screens. While designing this type of screens, okay, we can use here. We can use this particular short name, medium name, long name. But by default, system will allocate 15 medium number. If your client don't want medium, we can choose his long name, we can choose his heading, we can choose short name. It depends upon purely your client. Okay, that's why. But as a developer, while creating a domain and data element, compulsory you have to maintain the okay, as per the standards, as per the client standards, we have to maintain. Then while designing the screen, we can use those names only. Okay, we can use those names. This is about the technical questions. If they ask what is data element means, you have to explain data element is nothing but a field label. Using data element, we can maintain short to medium name, long name, heading information. That is, and data element is reusable. 3 points. Next, under the domain also reusable. It is to maintain field attributes for the field. We can use it domain. Domain contains data type and length of the field. Data type describes the characteristics and numerics. Length is the size of the field. Like that, you have to explain that data element. The remaining procedure is yesterday procedure only. Okay, yesterday whatever concepts you created, almost same as it is. Only second step is different. Second step, like while creating a like after maintaining the field name, the data element is different. Okay, data element. Today purely I am concentrating on only one table. Okay, only one table. Tomorrow class, okay, we will work out with the primary key table, and master database table, and foreign key table, and transaction database table. 2 tables for full. Okay, this is master data only. I am going to master data means there is no changes here. Employee number is fixed, employee name, date of birth, phone number. These are all okay. We never change those type of data. Okay, phone number it may change it, but that is not transaction. Okay, that is not transaction. Amount is transaction. Quantity is transaction. Profit is transaction. Okay, those type of transaction related information, if it is there, those transactions we are calling transactional data. Today I am not going to give the transaction related tables. Tomorrow transaction related tables with a foreign key. Foreign key means how to join this table, primary key table, to second table or third table or fourth table, n number of tables. That is we can call primary key and foreign key. Okay, what is the condition for the foreign key? Then how to link this employee number, and here we will create one employee number. How to link this table and this table. Okay, how to join these 2 tables. This all tomorrow onwards I will introduce. Today no need. Today still Satish or Praveen, they are going to install, I think. Praveen. Okay. Praveen, you installed already, correct?
Yeah, I have it.
Yeah. Okay, Satish. Okay, Satish. Amit already is working, already is practicing. Okay, no problem. Okay, now today also the same example if you practice. Tomorrow class it is very easy to connect the multiple tables, even for standard tables also. We can connect it. Okay, all database table, all standard database tables, which I sent you one small document, around 29 pages document. In that if you see, each table is connected like a link it will show, like one line. Okay, first table is connected with the second table is connected to the third table is connected to all different tables. That connection only we are calling primary key, foreign key. The primary key, foreign key. Tomorrow you will understand the table related. Tomorrow I will show that particular tables also. So once again, but today purely I'm going to concentrate on only this field label and data element and domain steps. I'm going to specify, explain one by one. Table is same table, yesterday table only, procedure is different, little bit different. Now I have written this one. Any doubt here? What is data element? What is domain? Okay, this is total domain. Yeah, this is full data element. This is full data element.
I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask me.
Data element and data type both are almost same, right? Because data element you'll already get data type everything, right?
See here, data element, data type means just only it is describing char, means only char or numeric only data. But
Yeah,
data element is giving clearly, okay,
I
you can
agree.
maintain employee number, like short name, medium name, all we are maintaining.
I agree. What I'm saying is, in data element, you get data type also by default predefined, right?
In
We can
data
define
element,
it. Yeah, can't we?
no, you cannot specify directly here.
We cannot specify. Okay.
You cannot specify, like compulsory, say that is, if you double click here, here we here we have this data type of domain compulsory. This is data type we have to maintain.
Yeah,
Data
yeah.
type, but what is the use? Means data type will maintain the domain I selected.
Mm-hmm.
Here we will maintain the level. Means what the main purpose is not to maintain the domain. Under domain we have the data type and length. But
Mm-hmm.
this label we need. This
Yeah.
label means if you maintain either predefined type, you can maintain, or reference you can maintain, or domain you can maintain. That is not the matter. But domain contains a character. That characteristics related fields only we will insert it. This is
Mm-hmm.
related to data. This is related to data. Data
Mm-hmm.
means like here, employee number is a C1. This is data. This is data. C1, C1, okay, C1 is a char. Now I am talking about this label. This label EMP is label. This is okay, label means this short name will be appear here heading.
Yeah, that I understood.
Yeah.
My doubt is, I mean, this domain it comes as a part of data element only, right?
Yes,
We,
exactly,
we
exactly.
have to
As
have.
part of the data element only. In
Yeah.
data element only you can use it. Okay, in
Yeah.
data element.
Mm.
Okay, that only I will show it clearly
Yeah.
now.
Mm.
Okay. Without domain, you cannot create it data elements
Mm.
compulsory. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So that's why I told you reusable. Okay, data element is reusable. So, no steps. Steps to create tables. Okay, steps. Same table I am going to explain. Like go to yesterday I created employee table. Now I am going to use with the employee one. Okay, table one. Click on create button. So go to steps. Go to SE11. Go to SE11. Enter the table name and click on create button. The table name is okay, employee database table. Employee table. Delivery class I told you A is nothing but a okay application table. It contains master data and transaction data, which we can use frequently A only for any table. We have seen you this particular yesterday means with allowed means we can create the entries. Allowed restrictions means you cannot create the entries, only display the entries for this. Allowed means you can create and we can display. Not allowed means no display, no create. Okay, no create. This is we never touch this one in industry. We will touch either allowed or restrictions also. If it is restrictions, you have to write the program. If it is allowed, there is no need to write the program. Program means for loading the data. For loading the data. Okay, first, then maintain this one and click on save. Here, once if you click save, it will ask package name. It will ask package name. Here I did not maintain any package for you. Maybe if possible, now only I will create it. Today class only package also. That package tomorrow onwards we will use the package only. Here package is nothing but a folder, SAP directory. That SAP directory is there already, local object. Okay, if package is there, if it is already there, we can use it ZGR, my package, ZHR350, standard package. Okay, this package also we can use it. This package, this is all stand. Okay, SAP is created. This is which I created, But I'll show next step, next example package. Now, for time being, I am using local object. I will save it this one only. Okay, I'll save it this one. Okay, if you don't have the package, always you can okay save it in under local object. No problem. Now it is saved here. This package will be saved under that attributes. You can see here. Here we have a name. If you want to note, you can write down. Package is a temporary object. I told you temporary package. Okay, temporary. That name is $TMP. That package name is $TMP. Okay, $TMP. $TMP objects are $TMP objects are not transportable. Okay, not transport. We never transport those objects. Okay, not possible. Even request, if it is not there, you cannot create it. Okay. What is request? You will see in next set. Okay, next class. Okay, next class. Not today. Okay, temporary objects. This is temporary folder. If it is saved in this folder, we cannot deliver to the quality client. We cannot deliver to production client. But we can change it to another. Okay, after saving this one, if whenever you want to change it another package, we can change it to by using some object directory entry. Okay, here you can change it to that your local object package to your package. You can change it. That is another step. You concentrate later. No problem. Okay, no need to confuse to you. Just to save it into local object. Then go to delivery. It is already maintained. Go to fields. Fields are nothing but like these all the database fields. Here I have to maintain all the field information like EMP number. Primary key is compulsory. Initial values are compulsory. Okay, I told you primary key is to connect primary tables and foreign key database tables. And primary key is to like create unique values. Okay, unique values means it won't allow any duplicate. Okay, any duplicate values. That is about the primary key. Next, data elements. Here last class I selected predefined type. Now today I am going to select here data element here. Okay, data element. Don't select predefined type. Okay, directly you can select the data element only. Okay, don't. Here we have to start here. Whenever you are creating data element, we have to use Z is mandatory. Plus Z, why we are going to specify Z?
It's customized.
Z, yeah, customized. Okay, Z means customized. Or Y we can use it. Then I can use Z EMP number. If it is already somebody is already there in database, it will show clearly data type and length. It will come. Description also will come. Let's say somebody is created. Okay, EMP number. This is reusable, but you have to understand how to create this data element. That's why I will maintain one unique name. My name ZGR EMP number. Now this is not created. Nobody is created. Say ZGR EMP number is not active. GR is nothing but one naming conventions. Okay, just Gangadhar like that. I am going to maintain my naming convention. Z is the customized. GR is the naming convention. Like there we can maintain project name. Okay, project name. If it is Procter and Gamble, okay, P and G we can maintain PG EMP number like that. Okay, to identify this one, enter any name. After that, field name. Okay, field name, technical name. Then it is not created. You can see here data type is empty, length is empty, decimals, short description, nothing is displayed. Okay, but now you are going to learn here data element. Now that step only. Okay, once after entering this one, if you have to double click on this particular element. Once if you double click here, it will ask, okay, do you want to save? Write down procedure, data element creation procedure. Okay, click on yes. Okay, click on yes. Then application table should be client specific, it is giving. Okay, so now I am creating as a data ABAP consultant. I am creating, this is not client specific, this is user specific. Continue. Okay, continue. So here it is asking clearly data element ZGR number is not available. Create the data element. Then click on yes. It will show here. It will show here description, that short description. Okay. Here employee number. There is a field information. Okay, sorry, data element description. This is not field. This is a data employee. Data element description. So you ask me that in the data element we will create the domain. Domain only. Okay, without domain I cannot create the directly. Okay, field labels. Compulsory you have to maintain the data domain only. Otherwise, okay, what type of data? What type of data we have to maintain here? Okay, we cannot insert that data. Okay, without a domain, we cannot insert the data. So we can maintain the data by using either domain, either predefined. Predefined type is nothing but yesterday we created char and length. Okay, char and length. But this is not suggestible. Why means for any data element, in real time, 99, 100%. Okay, that domain should be there. Domain also reusable. If you see here any, okay, any standard objects, for each field, okay, for each, okay, in even Mara display. So for this is data element, okay, domain also same name only they maintain. Domain also 100% same name. What is domain? If I double click domain, it will show that char and length. Okay, char and length. Okay, this is to maintain the information. Okay, to maintain the serial. Okay, land one. Okay, land one they maintain. Here only some differentiation they maintain, no problem. But the same name only, land one also. Okay, char and 3. If you double click here, char and 3. This is one domain level. Domain level this is. Okay, domain level. Now like that, I am going to create here one domain. Domain also same name of data element. Copy this name and maintain your domain. But still, if I click enter, okay, not available it will show. Okay, not available. Label I will maintain later. Okay, first we have to double click here. Let's see. Domain is not created. Double click on domain. Then we are going to click here. Click on S. S. Package is not there. I can save it in the once again package only. Domain local object. It is asking domain is not available. Do you want to create the domain? Yes. Here you have to maintain short description clearly. That is employee, okay, number, okay, employee number, data type. Okay, you can maintain the data type is char and length is 4. Okay, char and length is 4. Okay, you can maintain char length is 4. Enter. So now it is immediately displayed here data type and length of the char. Then if I enter here length, automatically it is displaying here. It is displaying here 4. Okay, 4. Why means output also 4. Means if I enter here 4, maximum it will take 4 only. For database you can observe here. System will take 8. System will, okay, sorry, it will show 8 in database, but it will consider 10. Why? For database, but we have 01011980 is there. This is 8 characteristics. But I need date of birth field 01 dot also, or slash or whatever it is, 01 dot 1980. Now this is 10 digit. Okay, means system will show that is 8, but as a like system will consider 10 fields, okay, 10 characteristics. Okay, this is a format, date format field is a data. Okay, that is a default. Let me show that one also. Okay, by default that is this conversion routine is nothing but like sometimes in material management module, the material management module, okay, we will maintain a material number is 1, we will maintain. Okay, we will maintain 1. But material number whenever you maintain 1 and but your material number, okay, type is char or numeric, okay, whatever it is, okay, numeric, Enumerate. 4 is there. Okay, 4 is there. 4. 4 means this is 4 length. Means here this is a 4 length. 1, 2, 3, 4. But all 4 is not inserted. We inserted only 1. But in database you will consider whenever you maintain that one. In database side, okay, system will store like that. Preceding zeros, 0, 0, 0, it 1. It will take it. That is we can call conversion. Okay, alpha conversion. Means even if you enter 1, system will take automatically. Okay, that conversion, alpha conversion, ALPHA. Alpha conversion it will take it. That conversion related anything if you want to maintain, here if you won't maintain, no issue. But if you want like this type of conversion related okay use in programming, then alpha we have to maintain. That also they will give that one. Okay, that also they will enter. This is a way of a specification. Okay, alpha conversion. Okay, alpha conversion. Once again I'll repeat, alpha conversion is purely preceding zeros. Okay, preceding zeros. Okay, even if you won't maintain, just directly the data will maintain directly 1 only. That 1 also correct, 0, 0, 0, 1 also correct. But if the field that output should show like this means compulsory you have to maintain alpha. Okay, alpha. Otherwise you can keep it blank. Okay, you can keep it blank. Now save, package name, local object only. I am going to check only domain level. Okay, domain. Now domain is ready, but still not active. I will check here, checking errors, and activate. Okay, activate. Okay, now domain is active. Okay, domain is active. Okay, come back. Okay, back. Then you can observe now here data type has come, length has come. Okay, now under that we are going to maintain here label here, field label. This is only short name, medium name, long name, heading. That only I have written here short, medium, long, heading. One by one I will declare it. Short length is default short length is 10. 10, that is the EMP number. 20, that is employee number. 30, employee number. 40, employee. Like that we will maintain. This label where it will appear today only I will show it. Okay, today only. Yesterday without data element, today with data element. Both I will show it after completion of this exercise. Okay, let me finish this table. Then we will see the how for end user, how developer we can use it. As a developer, how we can use it. This one I will show that one also today only. But that is only for understanding. Today only you cannot understand that one. At least you will see what is the difference with the data element, without data element, both you can see today only. Yesterday concept output, this today concept output you can see here. Now activate. Okay. Activate. See here, active means data element is active. Come back. Now one field is ready. Okay, one field is ready. What I created, I will specify in a flow. One flow wise I will show it here. See here under table, this is table. Under table we maintained data element. Under data element I maintain domain. Means under table we maintain some field. For that field we maintain data element. Data element is activated. After that we will after double clicking data element we will go to the domain. After domain we will activate the domain here. We will activate the domain. Active the domain. Then from domain to we will move to data element. Data element also will maintain the labels. Then we will activate it. After activation, once again I will move to table. Okay, I will move to the table. This is a flow, okay, for database table. Okay, under table we will maintain the data element. If you click the data element, we will go to the domain. From domain we will maintain the information. Then active to we will activate it. Then we will go to the data element to table. This flow we are calling Okay, this two we are calling. Okay, top to bottom database table creation. Okay, top to database table creation. Procedure, one procedure. Same if you create it okay another way. Okay, that is next. That's not that much important. Okay, first we will create the domain. Next we will create the data element. Next we will create the table. The next opposite. Okay, opposite. Same diagram opposite. That concept we are calling. That concept we are calling. Okay, that okay, bottom to up concept. This is okay same. Okay, same procedure. But here that is domain first, data element next, all data elements, domains, then DB table, okay, database table. Okay, this is we are calling bottom to up procedure. Okay, bottom to up. This is very rare scenario. Only for understanding of this particular domain and data element, we have to go for this procedure. This is also one table I will explain for you after completion of this concept. I will explain. But purely we can use it. Okay. Purely we can use it this type of only in real time. Okay, we'll do it. But I will discuss both. Okay, both. Same final output is same for either bottom to top or either top to bottom. Okay, bottom to up. Both are same. The use, okay, the concept of domain usage, concept of data element usage, you will understand this scenario. This is by double clicking only you will understand the scenarios. You will understand. No? Difference you understood? Difference. Top to bottom means table. Table means this is the table. Under table we maintain here fields. Data element. Under data element we maintain domain. Under domain we maintain characteristics. Then I activated. Then back button. Then label I maintained. Then activated. Then back button. One field is ready. Like that you have to create all the fields. Next field. What is the next field? PMP name. What is the condition for this PMP name also? You have to maintain Z. See, if I maintain EMP name, that is field also is created already. Somebody is created. But you are going to learn clearly. Okay, if I want to use this one only, I can use it. No issue. But now I'm going to create with a new field name, new data element name. Tell me how to create procedure. Double click here. Click on S. Okay, continue. Create the data element S. Enter the short description. Employee name. Okay, domain ZGR EMP name. Okay, double click here. Click on S. The local object. Create the domain. Okay, employee name. Okay, data type and length. Then activate. Okay, activate. So now it is active. Now it is active. Now same. Now I am in exactly here. Okay, I activated this one. Okay, I activated this one. Now I have to move from domain level to data element level. Let's see. Domain is activated. Active. Compulsory should be active. Otherwise you will get runtime errors. Okay, runtime. Then back button. Let's see. Now domain is active. If it is activated, then it will show here clearly. Okay, character. Then we have to maintain on a data element level. We have to maintain all the information. So let me maintain at least some 2 or 3. Okay, only medium I will say that employee name. Now see difference you can see here. I maintain only 2. I'll show in output level. I'll show what will happen with this field. Okay, I won't maintain the remaining. Save it. Activate it. Second data element also ready. Second data element. Like that for all 4 fields. For all 4 fields. Like date of birth, like phone number, same procedure we will maintain. Okay, date of birth. Okay, date of birth. Okay, ZDOB. It is also there, I think. Here, date of birth. I can reuse it directly. See, somebody is created already. Okay, this is we can call reusable. Okay, reusable. But tomorrow you will understand still reusable. Okay, reusable. So yeah, somebody is created already date of birth, date of birth, date of birth. Okay, date of birth, date of birth, date of birth. Somebody is created. Who is the user is created? Okay, some. Okay, this is a second month they created. Tech Vidya, something like that. Okay, 2328 user. He modified that. Okay, username. Okay, username. Okay, come back. But instead of this one, you can use standard. Okay, standard GB dat also. GB dat. GB dat means it is a standard field. We can use it date of birth. This is delivered by SAP. This is delivered by SAP. How we will come to know? This is based on your purely experience. We will come to know. Otherwise, which I had given some tables. If you check in the tables also, you can check it. Means if I open the tables, let's see. Customer table, let me open customer table only. This is a customer table. Here, if I want to check the date of birth related field, GB dat is there or not? Okay, or control F, date of birth. Okay, I'll show the employee related tables. PA 000 employee compulsory. Employee tables compulsory. You will see the date of birth field. That's what I'm going to open the another table. Employee. Now here I will check it. GB dat is there or not? Here GB data. GB data is nothing but a field that is from which table, that is PA. Now instead of creating the data element, let me check here data element what it contains. That is also GB data. You can see here data. If I double click the domain, you can see here DATS is having 8 characteristics, but in database what is the length? The output length is 10. So defaultly it will show that one. Okay, default it will show 10. It will occupy automatically. Okay, now GB data I am using here reusable. Okay, reusable like that. Phone number, Z phone, it is there or not? We will see. Okay, student phone, it is there. But if you want to change that student phone to description, I can change it as a developer. Okay, we have the rights here. Instead of student phone, I can maintain employee phone. Okay, it will affect to the total database. This one. Okay, it will affect to enter. See here now. Before it was student phone was there. Now I change that one. Like this, customized also you can do it. Means any existing, just enhanced. That name was I changed here. Name was there student phone. That is. Now all 4 fields are ready. This way of creation we are calling data element creation. 2 elements I have shown you. One element is standard I used. Another one is customized with enhancement. Okay, all 3 ways I explained. 2 elements I double clicked. I maintained domain. Then under domain I maintained the data type and length. Then activated. Then field label. I maintained all the field labels. Then I activated. Then back button. That is procedure. But instead of creating all the data element for time consumption, we can go for the to reduce the time. Okay, we can go for the standard. The standard is data element, and instead of going for the standard also, any customized data elements are there. We can browse the customized data elements and we can modify that customized data element for that one. For them also, in total project it will change automatically. Means if student name is created, the student name will be changed automatically. But we never do that then. According to business scenario only, we will change it. This one, this employee name, employee phone number. Okay, we never maintain as per our requirement. Their requirement data we never change it. Like for total project, one scenario, that same scenario related fields only we can create it. But here somebody is created. That's what I changed. Okay, but in project scenarios, okay, if it is somebody is created with a one name, we want that other name means we never created. That is that should be with a documented. Okay, then documented related data only we have to implement in SAP. If we never touch our own naming convention. We never create our own naming convention. So they will specify clearly documented fields. That also maybe next class I will share you one full example after completion of the foreign key. Then you will understand the requirement. Okay, one requirement you will understand clearly. Now Go to technical setting. 4 fields are ready with data elements. Technical setting. I told you technical setting yesterday. This is also master data. We can maintain. Okay, master data class. This size category, it will vary. Depends upon, after 5 minutes it will vary, another number it will show. Yesterday it was showing like 3300. Okay, it is a buffer, just buffer data. It will change it according to the size category. Okay, there is no need to worry about this size category related informations. That is just only size of the entries. Okay, size of the entries. You can use it if you want using like heavy data, like records. Okay, lakhs of records. You can use maximum records also. You know, save it. Okay, back. Now everything is ready. Table is ready. Now I am going to activate here. Okay, activate here. Once if I click activate, this warning is just only, you can click either yes, either you click no. Okay, both are same. If you click no, it won't show any information. If you click yes, it will show the one message. Okay, one message, information message. That I can avoid it by clicking back button, or otherwise how to solve also you will learn it later. Let it be. For this class no need. Now table is activated. The table is activated. Now I have to insert the data. Inserting data is same concept. Yesterday I explained how to insert the data. Utilities, table content, create entries. Correct?
Yes.
Let's see. Now I'll show the here. Allowed is maintained. Now if I maintain with restrictions, what will happen? Now you can see clearly. Utilities, table content, create entries is here. Now if I maintain here with restrictions, and once again if I activate, click no button. Now if I check here utilities, table content, display here, only display, but if I click display it won't allow. Why? No entries, no entries. But I have to maintain the entries. How to maintain? Not possible for this. Not possible. We have some other method is there. That method we can call table maintenance generator. That in next coming step we will discuss. Next, maybe 4th or 5th example, we will discuss the table generators. No need to worry. But for today, you have to understand the allowed. Okay, because you have to enter the entries, then only you can understand. Okay, now, no button. Now, I can create 1 or 2 entries. I can create it here. Create entries. I can specify E1. Okay, sorry, data birth. See, I will enter like this. Okay, phone number. I'll enter. See, data of birth I entered just continuity, but still 2 gap is there. System allocate automatically dots. Just save it. And E2. Click on save. Now I created 2 records. Let's see these 2 records. Back button. Go to utilities. Table contents. Okay, display. Okay, display. Or otherwise, you can go to the one shortcut is there. Under application toolbar, one shortcut, that is a table content option. Instead of going for each time utilities, table contents, then display button, instead of that, directly we will go to the content is there. Under the content, if you click here, it will show here. Then click on execute. 2 records are the 2 records. This is with the data element creation, but no difference here. See, output is yesterday class and today class. Let me open yesterday class also. Okay, SC11 yesterday class table I am going to open here. This is the table name, display button, execute. See, if you observe now here, is there any database data EMP number I created, ename I created, phone number, same and almost look like table output is, but these entries are different, but field I created here 4, here I created 5. Is there any difference here output level? No difference. Okay, means data will be maybe different, but no difference. Means look like table only. This is also table and this is also table, but difference is there in database level. Let me show. This is without data element. This is with data element. Where we can see this information, means while running with the programs, screen programming. I am explaining now that program. Okay, don't write this one. It's just only for your understanding. This is just only purely understanding of this one. In this one, after completion of 50% of the program, we will start the screen program. That time you can understand once again what is the use of data element. But now today just what is the you can see, difference you can see here. Difference. One let me one create one table. Okay. I think somebody is created already one program. Let me go to this program only. In this program, we have the screen is there, one screen number. Here we have layout is there. Okay, layout. While designing this type of layouts, okay, layouts, we can use that data element. First, I'll show the without data element related table. Then you will understand. Okay, let's observe. This is somebody's created customer and customer. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let me first take it to our table. Go to secondary window, dictionary program field. What is our table name? Z. This is a first table. Z employee, I think. Z EMP table. This is without data element. Okay, let me take this table and get from dictionary. Okay, get from. See here, how many fields are there in this table? 5 fields are there. Now, if I want to design screen here, based on this, okay, 3 fields. Like example, I need number, name, phone number. 3 fields I am selecting. Let's see how it is coming. Is there any label? Praveen, Satish, Amit?
No,
No,
sir.
okay, no label. Now let me show that once again. Okay, one more table I am going to open. Same table with the data element related. You can see a data element related clearly it is showing a short description, medium description, long description, header. Okay, one field I did not maintain long and heading. It is not highlighted here. Now let it be medium only. It is selected default. Let me show first difference. Okay, difference. You can see the difference. Okay, maybe say employee number. You can see here. This is a label for this field. What is this field? What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? You cannot identify the label. But if you maintain data element, compulsory, you will get clearly, okay, this information. Okay, like this label, this is a label. But this is okay, default one. Okay, what is the default one? Medium. But I don't want medium field. Here we have this here, medium is there. I need a 40 header. Let me show. I'll Control Z. Let me open once again. I don't want medium. I need 40 heading. Means employee number I want. Let's see. Enter. I need here. The employee number will come here. I don't want employee number. EMP NO I need. Then I can select here short name. Short to medium, long. This it will be appear here. Okay, this is the name of here employee number. Okay, employee number. See, length is changed here. Okay, length is changed automatically. This is short length. Okay, if employee is asking, okay, I cannot maintain here employee number. Okay, employee number I cannot maintain. Extend it. Then extend means you have to share. I cannot write it also. Like if I write here employee, only employee only I can maintain, not number. You can see. That's it. Number if I want to maintain, you cannot maintain. See? Understood? This label we can change it. Okay, employee you can change. That's it. This label only can change it. But if it is long length, let me. If it is long length, you can add it whatever you want. Okay, like long length is there. Long length. Select it. Continue. Share. Now, okay, now I can double click here. Now here if I want instead of this employee number, I can add it how much length I want, I can add it. Okay, let me add it. Okay, new. See here. Now new employee number. How much length I can add it. This type of programming purpose we can define the data element. Okay, data element. Understood now difference between the data element and the domain. Data element means no label. Sorry, without data element means no label. With the data element means compulsory label. Label will come. This is label. This is label. Here customer client will ask first see the output for this table. See the output. Okay, now let me show that is what is the table. What is the transaction? Say Z all 11 is there. Let me open the T code. Z all 11. Z all 11. What it is here? Here label customer is there, but your client is asking a customer number. Let me enhance here now. This is also standard field only. I am going to enhance now. How to enhance here? Double click this one. Double click this one. Now I am adding customer NO. I added one field. I added. Now I am enhancing this name also. Okay, name also. Okay, customer name I am adding. Two fields I added. Let's see output. We can enhance it. This is only we can call enhancements. Okay, enhancements. Now let me save here. Let me save here. This all you will later you can learn it. Just today, just one idea I am giving. Okay, one idea where you can use it, how you can use it, how you can use this reusable. Okay, that I am explaining. Okay, let me activate once again. Same application. Yes, here same application. It is opened here. Okay, here customer is there, name is there. Now, if I test now, okay, test now, we can see the latest data. I can see the latest data. Now I am going to save it. I am going to enter here /n. What is the T code? Z all 11. You can see here customer number is added. You can see here customer name is added. This label I can change here. Why? Because of that short name and medium name, long name is there. That's why I added here. If short name and medium name and long name, if it is not there, without data element, you cannot add this type of information. Okay, this type of information. Okay, this is about the procedure. This is about the procedure about the short name, medium name, and long name. Okay, if you have any queries, I will discuss. Sorry, Praveen, you got it my point? Satish?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, Amit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, do one thing. I am not going to extend this class today because you have to understand today this concept. Then tomorrow class, how to join one table, first table. Same table I will discuss tomorrow on. Same table, but I will use reusable data elements. But next table I will discuss, that is transaction table. That is that we can call foreign key table. Foreign key table. How to link first table and second table. How to join and link is nothing but join. How to join the foreign key table. This all tomorrow class I will introduce. Okay, tomorrow class. Tomorrow 2-3 points, new points you will learn it. Okay, what is the primary key? What is transaction data? What is currency field? What is quantity field? What is foreign key? How to join the foreign key? Almost 3 to 4 concepts, new concepts you will learn. In in 2 examples only, I am going to give you transaction related tables also. Okay, but procedure is same. Just field information will be different. Okay, field information. Okay, that's it. Now today I'll stop it. Practice this exercise. If you have any doubts,